Let's learn how to create a shape transition in Premiere Pro. First, go to your project panel, right-click, and select New Item Adjustment Layer. Accept the default settings and drag the adjustment layer above your two clips on the timeline. Then, right-click the adjustment layer, select Speed/Duration, change the duration to 10 frames, and click OK. Position the adjustment layer so that it's perfectly centered between your two clips. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for the Transform effect, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Move the playhead to the start of the adjustment layer, then go to the Effect Controls panel and scroll down to the Transform settings. Click the stopwatch icons next to Scale, Skew, and Skew Axis to create keyframes. Now move the playhead to the center of the adjustment layer and adjust the values, set Scale to 140, Skew to 10, and increase the Skew Axis to a high number for more intensity. Then move to the end of the adjustment layer and reset all three values to their defaults to complete the animation. Finally, scroll down within the Transform effect, uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle option, and set the shutter angle to 360 for a smooth motion blur. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.